You guys are driving me nuts with this. You guys collectively on AT&T. I am very bullish AT&T. I am going to stay in AT&T. I'm long the stock and I'm long options. I'm in it for a long-term hold. You need to figure how much money you're comfortable risking and trade it. Okay, I cannot answer questions every time this thing ticks down. So AT&T, I am in AT&T. I am down money in AT&T, and I'm going to hold AT&T and continue building my position. I'm down $3,000. I also own stock. I own 75 options, and I'm going to own a lot more. I am staying in this trade. Okay, this is a long-term hold. Twitter, we're in from 28 and 30, and now it's trading 55. Disney, I'm in from 120 and it's 175. T, we suggested last week and it pulled back a little bit. I am extremely bullish AT&T. That's what I'll cover on that one. Okay.
There's a massive catalyst too.
There's a massive catalyst too for AT&T. The reason why we're long AT&T is because Time Warner announced that they are going to put all their movies out on HBO Max and in the theaters at the same time. The biggest movie to come out in 2020, even though that's not saying very much, is going to be Wonder Woman 1984. I think that's what it's called, 1984. I don't know. I'm not a big superhero guy, but it's going to break records, and people are going to be forced to spend $15 for HBO Max because they're not going to go to AMC and spend $15. Okay? If anybody doesn't like any of these trades, my strong suggestion to you is don't do it. Been trading for 23 years, something that is certain to me. It is very, very easy to critique trades. It's very, very difficult to find trades. Okay? If you like the trades, awesome. And if you don't, just take a pass, my friends. It's all good. Okay?
I was just getting my fills in. I added to, I opened T,
Yeah.
opened, and then EM.
Yeah, I'll be okay. It's gonna be a little painful, but that's life in the big city. I also get a 7% div, so that's fine. That's why I don't want to own stock too. 7% div, and so this level right now to own the stock is awesome.
If you don't feel that with the pain, the adversity, with real money, until you do, at least, I don't think that finding success will come easy until you feel that pain.
So just to repeat what Pablo is saying, guys. Stefan, I'm not answering the same question about whether we need to stop on AT&T. I'm not doing it, Stefan. I'm just not. I'm just not. Sorry. So that's how we're doing. Thank you, Juliana. I just don't trade with stops. What I do, guys, so I'm probably gonna risk $10,000 to $15,000 on AT&T. Okay, you need to figure out what you're comfortable risking. Okay, if you want to risk $1,000, then you do the best you possibly can in a given trade with the money that you're allotted. So it goes back to the platinum example, guys, that if you buy platinum and you want to stop yourself out at a $200 loss, you can't trade platinum. That's not a good contract for you. You have to find something that works better for you. This company, I for one don't think it can go under 25. I don't think it's going to. I'm comfortable with the long-term holding. Matthew says, I like the relaxed, almost tipsy feel of this class.
Me too.
Pablo says, me too. I feel a lot more relaxed with Pablo here.